Welcome to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacy. Today we will be talking about mulching your garden. First of all, what is mulch? Now, mulch is anything you put on top of your soil surface to cover it. Mulch can be either organic or inorganic. Organic mulches comes from living materials. Examples of organic mulches are compost, wood chips, grass clippings, leaves, pine needles, rotted manure, and tree bark. Inorganic mulches can be artificial or natural materials. Examples of inorganic mulches are plastic, gravel, marble, rubber, or landscape fabrics. Now, the purpose of mulch is to save water because it helps the soil to retain moisture. It suppresses weeds, it improves the soil around your plants, and it also gives your garden a nice, clean, and neat look. In winter, mulch protects the soil and your plants. It protects the soil by keeping it warm, and it protects your plants from the freezing and thawing cycle. Now, what I'm using to mulch my garden today is compost. And the reason for that is because it will do everything that I just mentioned. It also provides nutrients to my soil as it breaks down. So I have this bucket right here to start with. Do you mulch your garden? What type of mulch do you use and why? Comment below and tell me. What is the difference between organic and inorganic mulch, you might ask? Organic mulches break down over time and add nutrients to your soil. So with that, you know your soil quality will improve. Inorganic mulches either does not decompose, or if it is one that breaks down, it's over a long extended period of time and it doesn't add nutrients to your soil. Both organic and inorganic mulch has their place. Guys, please do not overmulch your garden. You don't want to block oxygen and water from your plant roots. So try not to go over 3 inches of mulch. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.